I was wondering which steady signal to use for tuning TOKO bandpass filters in easy BITX. In my earlier stint on homebrewing about 4 decades back, I used to use signals from broadcast stations to help me tune the IF transformers in the elbowed assembled radio, which was very popular in those days. The easy BITX VFO covers only the amateur band, but it went up to 7300 kHz on 40 meter to cover the larger band plan of some other countries like the United States of America. Our 40 meter band is only up to 7200 kHz. It was then that VU3IZD told me that there is a broadcast station on 7225 kHz audible at night useful for tuning TOKO bandpass filters. That was a very useful information. I listened to that station at night and picked up the audio by tuning the inner core of 40 meter bandpass filters. These are the TOKO bandpass filter coils for 40 meter band. These two are for 20 meter. You can see 20 meter written here. This is 40 meter written. And you can also see that this is a slanting view. This is the core. The cores of these two transformers are well outside the case, while these two are inside the case. When I assembled, these were inside the case, and yesterday during tuning process, I used this screwdriver to turn it and brought it outside. I don't want to touch it now because I had picked it yesterday night during my listening of the broadcast transmission on 7225 kHz. And this is the method which I did. Ideally, I was supposed to use a plastic or ceramic screwdriver so that it will not influence the inductance. But I do not have one. I am on the lookout for one. I saw a ceramic set online which is very expensive, probably nearly the cost of this kit. So I didn't buy that. I look out for, that's a kit. This is a very small screwdriver tip. I had got it from a local kit which has multiple edges like this. This one is quite suitable for tuning this TOKO filters. But then plastic or ceramic, I'll have to check again in local market, because the online one I looked only for ceramic, which is quite expensive for a set. Single one was not available. Maybe if someone is familiar with it, please tell me. I'll have a look at it. So yesterday I could increase the audio volume, output volume, significantly by tuning these two TOKO transformers. I have not attempted 20 meter because I don't know whether there is a similar broadcast station on the 20 meter band. You need a steady signal to tune these, because usually when amateurs are transmitting, it will be short calls and then break. Then there will be another station which will be weak. So we cannot peak the coils easily listening to amateur broadcasts, or rather amateur conversations. You need a broadcast station. That opportunity is there at night because on 7225 there is a broadcast station which is audible in this region quite strong.